Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to make straps on a dress tighter and shorter. So if you have straps like this that fall off your shoulders, there's a really easy way to make them a little bit tighter so they fit you perfectly. So this one I can fit about 2 fingers between my shoulder and the strap. So we'll just take off about 1 finger width and see how that feels. Here's our dress and we're going to sew from the inside out, and here are the straps. So we're going to make the straps shorter on the back of the dress. Take a good pair of fabric scissors. I have a link for these in the description of the video. And it might seem scary, but don't worry, you're just gonna cut right across that strap, right where it meets the back of the dress. And now it's off. Scary, but don't worry, we're gonna sew it back in place. And you'll see some of the strap remaining in the dress so you know where to sew it back in place. You're gonna take some thread. I would normally use black thread, but I want you to see what I'm doing. Pull it out about the length of your arm, cut it off at a bit of an angle like that. So once you have your thread cut, you're just gonna put it in the top of the needle in that tiny hole. And this can often be the hardest part of sewing. Once you have it through there, you're gonna pull the ends until they meet at the bottom, just like that. And then just smooth out your thread. And now we can start sewing. So again, we place the strap right where it was cut off, keeping the same angle, but just moving it up about the width of 1 finger or however much you decided to take off. So you'll just hold it in place there with one hand, and with the other hand, you're gonna go through part of the dress and then out through the strap with your sewing needle. Pull your thread through almost all the way, but not all the way. And then you're gonna go back through that same area again, through the dress, out through the strap, and then pull. As you pull, you see you have this loop of thread, and you don't want to pull it shut. You want to put your needle back through that loop and then pull it shut. And that creates a knot. And we're also going to look on the other side of the dress to make sure if your dress has 2 layers, you don't want to sew through both layers because you want to not see any thread on the other side. So we're just sewing through 1 layer of fabric here and the strap. So we have 1 knot made. Now we're going to make 2 more knots right on top of that 1 knot. So again, you'll just go back through the fabric of the dress and out through the strap. And then pull your needle through, put your needle through that loop of thread as you pull it shut, and that will knot it in place. So we're just gonna do 3 knots just like that, back through the loop and pull it shut. Now we're gonna sew all along the strap, through the fabric of the dress and out through the strap, through the dress and through the strap until we get to the other side. On the other side, and the order doesn't really matter. If you wanna go through the strap and then out through the fabric of the dress, that is fine too. Perfect, so now we're on the other side of the strap. We're gonna definitely do some knots here. We're gonna make sure we sew it right up at the top where the strap meets the dress. So you can make that loop of thread, put your needle through the loop, pull it shut. So now you can look at what you've done, turn it over, and you see the strap is nice and secure. We just have to sew along this part. So to do that, you're just going to take a tiny bit of fabric from one side and then pull it through, and then come out through the strap of the dress. So you pull it out the other side. And now you see you have a little stitch holding those together. And now we'll go back the way we came. So we'll go back through the strap and out through the fabric of the dress. And you'll just do this all the way along the fabric of the dress and then out through the strap. So we're back to where we started. So now we'll just go back through the strap, pull the needle through. So you can see we've done this nice circle of stitches now. So now we're going to do a couple more of those knots to hold it in place, and then we can cut off our thread and we're done. So we're going to do some knots. So again, through the fabric of the dress and out through the strap, making this loop of thread. And then you can put your needle through the loop and pull it shut like that. And once you do 2 or 3 knots on top of each other, you're good to cut off your thread, and your strap is the customized size you want it to be. Perfect. So we've done our knots. Now we can cut off our thread including the thread that was hanging off from where we started sewing. And then you can flip it over and see no stitches on this side, but your strap is now this much shorter, and hopefully that is the perfect fit for you. Now you just do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so we can try it on and see the straps fit so much better. They're not falling off my shoulders at all. Just a little bit tighter makes all the difference. And all it took was a couple minutes and a needle and thread. So easy. Thanks so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.